Hi everybody, welcome to another Korean lesson. Today we're going to focus on the Korean vowels, alright? I've written first the English vowels, A, E, I, O, and U, and we're going to look at the Korean equivalents of A, E, I, O, and U. I've written them here. The A, basically an E, but in Korean this is E-O, and the letter O, right here, O. U, E, U, E-U, and I, all right? How are these similar? Well, in English, we have basically the A, E, I, O, and U, or ah sound, E, O, U sounds. In Korean, we have a very similar sound structure, or O, U, and E, all right? And let's see, the order that these vowels have been written in, they actually don't correspond with A, E, I, O, and U. It would be similar to A. The I in Korean is pronounced like E. So if we were to say A, E, okay, we wouldn't actually call it I. It's pronounced E. And then A, E, A. The E in Korean would be the It's a different sound, completely different sound. So A, E, A, E, and then O, and then U sound, okay? U. All right, how these characters, or how these letters are written in Korean is like so. The A is represented by a line going down, and another line, a shorter line, protruding to the right or to the east. All right, is made, you draw this by writing one long line down and a line protruding to the left or to the west. The letter O is produced by drawing a line on its back, a horizontal line with one vertical line protruding from the middle, and it's headed up or in the north direction. U is written by a line, a horizontal line, a long horizontal line, and then another line protruding from the middle, okay, in the downward or southern direction. The E-U, sound, is simply a horizontal line, a straight line, and then the E, or the I, okay, it's confusing, is represented just by a straight line, straight vertical line, okay? The sounds that these characters produce are ah. This is the A, ah. The E-O is okay? The O is O, just as in the English language, O. The U, very similar, oo. This is a unique sound. This is a sound that we're not familiar with in English, E-U, okay? And then the I, which it's confusing because this I in Korean is pronounced as E, as if we're calling out the letter E, okay? These are some of the basic Korean vowels, okay? A, O, U, E. We're done.